Today, every manufacturer in the world is under pressure to do more. Here at Hannover Messe, we brought in real production system to show how AI can already make a difference with troubleshooting, with maintenance, with simulations. If you would like to see it, please come on in and I'll show you how it's done. Everything we do here is based on a simple principle that intelligence and trust are the foundations of how we operate. Each of the solutions you will see next is designed as a part of the story of how we are helping our customers unlock industrial intelligence. Changing production between bottle types can be really complex and can result in loss of liquid that you're trying to fill in. Just think about how difficult this could be. The only way to do this today is by manually setting parameters for each production run or running complex simulations. Krones is able to run the simulation in real time and deliver it to the operations on the factory floor. That makes this process completely different. Now we can react to changes in customer demand in real time, and you can run production with no losses. This is the power of AI applied to physical infrastructure on the factory floor. Service teams spend hours preparing for maintenance visits, and when they arrive on site, they still don't have full context of what's happening with the machine and on the site. And sometimes it means that they have to come back with the right parts onto the maintenance sites. That's very expensive. TKE Elevator is using AI to create and shape those visits before they happen. And when technicians arrive on site, they're getting real-time guidance from AI in context of the maintenance that they have to perform. This is human-in-the-loop augmented maintenance, as perfect as it can get, because you're providing those technicians with real information in real time, in a right format, right at the time and place where they need it. Troubleshooting complex environments in critical systems can take hours and sometimes days, when minutes can matter. ABB is able to use AI to give their technicians real-time access to diagnostic data and guidance for those troubleshooting tasks, cutting the troubleshooting by half. ABB is seeing 15% change and decrease in energy usage in critical systems when they apply AI. In warehouse operations, delays often occur because managers don't have real-time visibility into the bottlenecks of the warehouse operations. AI can see those bottlenecks and act on them in real time because of the context that it has that comes from the context that Microsoft IQ can provide. Understanding of the workflows, the systems of records, and the procedures and rules that govern how we behave and how we operate in a warehouse. That is how identic AI in a warehouse context delivers new value into how we behave, operate, and optimize our operations. Let me show you how all of this comes together in a factory of the future, where robots can communicate with each other in real time and adjust to the parameters and behaviors of the machines and people around them. Where understanding of context gives us ability to understand the rules that we use to behave and operate our environments. Where we can see and predict issues, drive maintenance, create visibility into how we behave, and where we allow agents to act on our behalf and with us to drive operational efficiency. The future of manufacturing is here. Microsoft Intelligence is bridging agentic AI and physical AI to give it shape. Be part of this journey.